Do you ever wonder if AI could actually replace your job someday? Artificial intelligence has been rising rapidly over the past few years, and its presence can be seen in various industries, from healthcare to finance. AI technology is getting more sophisticated, making it capable of performing complex tasks that were previously thought to be exclusive to humans. As AI continues to advance, it's natural to have concerns about its potential impact on the job market and whether it will eventually take over our jobs. Jobs that involve repetitive tasks are most at risk due to AI advancements, as machines can perform these tasks more efficiently and accurately. For example, in the manufacturing industry, AI-powered robots are being used to assemble products, reducing the need for human labor. Experts predict that AI will continue to automate many routine tasks, potentially displacing millions of workers worldwide. The transportation industry is also at risk, with self-driving cars and trucks being tested and implemented, which could replace human drivers. In the customer service industry, chatbots are being used to handle customer inquiries, reducing the need for human customer support agents. AI-powered systems are also being used in the financial industry to analyze data and make predictions, which could replace human analysts. Many jobs that involve data entry, bookkeeping, and other administrative tasks are also at risk of being automated. The use of AI in these industries is expected to increase exponentially in the coming years, making it essential for workers to adapt to the changing job market. The main argument is that while AI may replace some jobs, it will also create new ones that we cannot yet imagine. The fear of AI taking over jobs is valid, but it's also an opportunity for workers to acquire new skills and adapt to the changing job market. Many experts believe that AI will augment human capabilities rather than replace them, and that it will free humans from mundane tasks, allowing them to focus on more creative and high-value work. However, this also means that workers will need to be willing to learn new skills and adapt to new technologies. The job market is constantly evolving, and AI is just one of the many factors that are driving this change. While it's true that AI may displace some workers, it's also true that it will create new opportunities for entrepreneurs, innovators, and workers who are willing to adapt. AI will also enable businesses to operate more efficiently, which could lead to the creation of new jobs and industries. The key is to be open to change and to be willing to learn new skills rather than resisting the inevitable. To thrive alongside AI, workers can focus on developing skills that are complementary to AI, such as creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking. These skills are essential in many industries and are less likely to be automated. Workers can also acquire new skills through online courses, training programs, and workshops, which can help them to stay relevant in the job market. Many companies are also investing in employee retraining programs, which can help workers to adapt to the changing job market. Additionally, workers can focus on developing skills that are unique to humans, such as empathy, communication, and problem solving. By acquiring these skills, workers can increase their value in the job market and reduce their risk of being replaced by AI. It's also essential for workers to be open to lifelong learning, as the job market is constantly evolving. The use of AI in the workplace will require workers to be adaptable, flexible, and willing to learn new skills, and those who are able to do so will be more likely to thrive. In conclusion, while AI may change the job market, it won't eliminate the need for human creativity and emotional intelligence. The job market is constantly evolving, and AI is just one of the many factors that are driving this change. Workers who are willing to adapt, learn new skills, and focus on developing skills that are complementary to AI will be more likely to thrive in the changing job market. AI will also enable businesses to operate more efficiently, which could lead to the creation of new jobs and industries. The key is to be open to change and to be willing to learn new skills rather than resisting the inevitable. It's essential for workers to be aware of the potential risks and opportunities presented by AI and to be proactive in developing the skills they need to succeed. The future of work is uncertain, but one thing is clear: AI will play a major role in shaping it. AI will bring about many changes, but it will also bring many opportunities, and it's up to workers to be prepared to adapt and thrive. Do you have thoughts on AI and jobs? Share them with us in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other video on how technology is changing the way we live and work.